Hello everybody, welcome back to WITTFORD and Crivitz. This is Danny Brownie and I'd like to introduce you to the new 2024 F-150s. These are rolling off the factory, off the trucks and onto our lot. This is a great example here, 2024, and Avalanche is the exterior paint. The black SDX cloth seats. I'd love to show off some of the things that make the 2024 a little bit different. Look at the new grille with the blackouts on the side there. Black tow hooks. New alloy wheel design, excellent new badging, chartreuse sharp look there. As I mentioned before, this is the STX in a 2.7 liter. Let's put your price point right exactly at $52,105. Again, check out the new badging. Very exciting. Look at the new seats in the 2024 STX. That highlighted stitching, that looks great. Can't wait to show it to you in person. Come on down and see us. Other new features for 2024 are going to be here on the XL models, include the larger digital screen and all digital gauges. You really can't miss out on this. It's going to be a great rollout for 2024.